Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the Painted South. In my last video, we decorated the foyer for Christmas, and in today's video, we are going to finish decorating the foyer, finish the staircase garland, as well as the upstairs landing and hallway. I also wanted to tell you guys that I have a surprise, and I will be announcing it in my next video, so make sure you stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video and it inspires you to decorate your home for Christmas. Now, I remember going to Hobby Lobby, but I don't remember picking up one of these. Maybe opening these bags will be a little bit safer. We're going to start by finishing up the foyer that I decorated in my last video. I finally bought the decorative snow that I needed to fill in around the bottom of the tree. I used a sheer white curtain scarf to cover the boxes that I had used as a base. Having a white base layer helped me use less snow to blanket the areas. I just wanted to create a little wintry snow patch by the front door. I love adding a dusting of snow to my Christmas decor. We don't get much snow here in the South, so I just bring that icy, wintry feeling inside. Even though I thought the foyer tree was finished, I decided to add more fluffy snow to fill in the bare spots. And it gives a little bit more of a dense, snowy look on a few of the branches. To the left of the tree, I added this rustic box my husband made for me, and I filled it with pine cones, a few greenery picks and stems, and more snow. I needed height toward the back to hide the cord and the electrical outlet. I love adding some sort of rustic or earthy element in my vignettes to keep them somewhat casual. To the right side of the tree, I added 2 tall candlesticks that were Facebook Marketplace finds. I hauled these and more in a previous video, and I will link that below. For all of my displays, I'm using these flameless LED candles, which I purchased from Kohl's for 50% off. If you haven't watched the first Decorate With Me video in this Christmas series, make sure you check it out and see how I transformed this Merry Christmas sign and decorated the tabletop. And now I'm finishing up this lower shelf area, and I started with a rustic handmade tray. I wanted to keep this area simple, so I just added a few pine sprigs, some pine cones, snow to coordinate with the other arrangements, and then I added 2-toned red berries. I added a few flocked pieces, and I also added those deep red wine berries as well. You'll see how the finishing touches turned out in the foyer at the end of the video, but for now we're headed upstairs to a blank slate to start decorating. At the top of the stairs, I moved this black end table in front of the window and I switched the curtains to thick gold panels. I moved the vintage blue camelback sofa, but I left the two DIY bifold door sconces. Now you can see right here how I stopped aging the painted gray balusters, so I need to keep going down the rest of the hallway, but I'll get to that later. And this hallway leads to two more bedrooms, a bathroom, and a linen closet. I wanted this area to feel cozy, a little old-fashioned, yet still elegant and inviting. For this area, I'm going to be using items that I don't plan on using in the rest of the house. So let's get started.
Come join in our song, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me.
This tree was a steal for only $4.99. All the lights were bad, so I removed those and I added 3 sets of clear mini lights. I used an old drawer under the tree instead of a tree skirt, and I used another white scarf to be the first layer for my snow blanket. This drawer was missing a handle, so I tied some ribbon through the holes. I did end up adding more later, and then I changed it again after that. I then filled the drawer and covered the sides with buffalo snow. I dug out a Santa that we've had for years, and I added him at the end of the railing. I love how full this garland looks so far. My husband sanded and stained this old pine shelf that we had in the garage, and then added a couple of brackets to give me a shallow surface to decorate. I found another flocked wreath that matches the one downstairs. It was at Michael's and it was 60% off when I bought it. I originally hung the wreath inside a frame that I had painted, but you'll see later on that I changed that out for a large mirror to reflect light and make the space feel larger. And of course, I added the same berries that I used downstairs to the garland and the wreath upstairs. These add such a nice, bright and deep color contrast to the white flocking. So on the 4.5-foot tree, I added lots of cute bird picks, snowball ornaments, and I added snow to the tree to continue that wintry feel. I added plaid and black ribbon along with green and plaid ornaments, and then later on I added more picks to fill in the tree. I wanted to keep the sconces fairly simple, so I just wrapped wired greenery around the bottom of the candle area to start. These little foam pieces are from the Dollar Tree, and they cover that spike so that I can use a LED candle. You will see these finished in just a bit. And you can kind of see here the white frame of the mirror that I added, and in front I added another Walmart garland. I doubled it up and then I added those gorgeous flocked stems from Michaels. They were also 60% off. Now, usually I show every step of my decorating process. However, I ended up bouncing back and forth from area to area and just really enjoying the whole decorating process. So I decided to just show you the decorated finished foyer, staircase, upstairs landing, and hallway. And of course, my other cat. I added this metal tree candle holder that I found at a local antique mall. And I added the berries that I used everywhere else as well. I love how this area looks all throughout the day and night, and you'll get to see glimpses of it in the different lighting. I also added greenery and berries to the bottom of the candlesticks, just peeking through the snow. I added fairy lights to the wreath for a soft glow. It looks really pretty at night. I know that all of these twinkling and glowing lights always look better in person, but I hope their ambiance is coming through on your screen. I have always loved the shadows that are created by a tree wrapped in twinkling lights. And I love the warm glow of the flameless candles. I think the foyer is so welcoming, and it has definitely set the mood for the rest of the house. Instead of talking you through the tour of the upstairs, I hope you'll enjoy one of my new favorite Christmas songs.
Gaze upon the sky, Christmas on my mind, somewhere from a place up high above. There's a song of love traveling afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Peaceful little lights, Christmas on my mind. Somewhere from a place up high above, there's a special star shining from afar, seeking us to warm up every heart, to be our light into the night. Bless us with a moment of serenity. Let it come to bloom, joyful Christmas news. Hope will find its way to you. Hope will find its way to you.
I hope you enjoyed this video and that it inspires you to create your own special areas throughout your home for everyone that may pass through during this cherished holiday season. Please like this video if you did, leave a comment below, share it with your friends, and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.